This is Yunus Academy and this is Seller. Both of them will help you to list your digital products for free, but here is the difference. On Yunus Academy, you can list your digital products for free as well and also go live with your students. That means you can give your students assessments, projects, exams, and even mark or track your students' results. But on Seller is also for free as well. You can only list your ebooks and sell it to other people using your unique link. On Yunus Academy, it also helps you to receive payments anywhere you are in the world, whether you want Canadian dollar, US dollar, Zambia kwacha, South African rand, Kenya shillings, Uganda shillings, Ghana cedis, Gambia dalasi, and many others. But this particular platform will also help you to receive payments in 9 countries as well, including Zambia kwacha and so many others. Okay, so you are the one to choose where you want to list your digital products. Both of them is good and they are free. Okay, but if you want to teach, you go for this one. That's like if you want to teach your digital products live or direct your students on what to do, you go for Yunus Academy. But if you just want to list your digital products and sell it with your unique link, you go for Seller. Both of them will give you unique link, don't forget, but these are the difference. Okay, so now that you know the difference, you can go ahead and list your ebook or your digital products. Also remember, on this channel I share online courses that will help you and you benefit a lot. So what are you still waiting for? Click subscribe to always get the video notification whenever I draw videos. You can even go ahead and learn affiliate marketing or digital marketing full guide for free here. So see you in next section and drop your question in comment sections as well.